This is Shubha and you're watching My Vision Classes. In the next few minutes, you'll know what is an embedded system, few examples of embedded systems that we use in our day-to-day life, what is a general purpose computer, and the differences between general purpose computer and embedded system. Well, in general, embedded means integrated, and here the integration is of a software and a hardware. So I would define embedded system as a combination of both hardware and a software designed to perform a specific function. Embedded systems are efficient, which means they perform their tasks efficiently, keeping the design on consideration. They perform their tasks with no or a very little human intervention, which means you do not require manpower to perform these tasks. And every embedded system is unique, which means it is designed to perform one unique task. For example, a fan, refrigerator, aeroplanes, medical equipments, automobiles, TVs, and the list goes on. Modern embedded systems are based on microcontrollers, microprocessors, SoCs, and FPGAs. These are designed to carry out the specific tasks which I already mentioned earlier. An embedded system works by taking analog or digital inputs. These inputs are further processed based on how the software is configured, and a desired output is obtained. Some embedded systems have a user interface, such as an optical mouse that takes pictures of the surface as the user moves the mouse. These pictures are stored in a memory and compared to determine the location, which are outputted to the general purpose computer so that you can see the movement on the screen. Now, this general purpose computer is not considered as an embedded system because it can be used to perform multiple functions. Moving on to the differences between general purpose computer and an embedded system, I would differentiate them based on certain categories. Well, based on the definition, a general purpose computer executes variety of applications, whereas an embedded system executes only a specific set of applications. Based on the content, a general purpose computer has a general purpose operating system, while an embedded system may or may not have an operating system. Based on the iterations, the applications on a general purpose computer can be changed by the user, whereas the applications on an embedded system are fixed and cannot be changed by the user. The power consumption in case of a general purpose computer is always more than that of an embedded system. Also, the key factor for a general purpose computer is only the performance, whereas in case of an embedded system, it's the power, the memory usage, cost, speed, etc. So friends, thank you for watching the video, and this was all about introduction to embedded systems. Please do share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also for questions, please leave comments below.